can you give the introduction about you and your what you're doing?
Community, okay. Hi all, I'm Nikita Shinde. I'm a DevOps engineer with overall 4 years of experience. I am a community builder in Mumbai, so I'm part of 3 communities here. One of them, which I would like to talk about, is Grafana and Friends. So Grafana and Friends is an open source community here in Mumbai. It's for folks who are interested in observability, cloud native space, wherein you can build cool
So
dashboards, showcase all the things that you have, and yeah, it is open for everybody.
it's like monthly meetup or 1 or 2 or weekly.
Yes, so at Grafana and Friends Mumbai, we have meetups quarterly, so 4 times in a year, and we are planning to have more online meetups so that we connect audience from across the globe and have a fun time at the same
Okay.
time.
So what are the topics in the meetups? Like what student age or like a professional which people will become
Okay,
there?
so the first part of your answer to your question is, since it's an open source organization, we have it's like open source is in our DNA. So all the topics will be focused on open source and cloud native spaces, and we are open for all age groups. So anybody, even if you are a student, even if you are somebody who has experience, or you have just started in tech, anybody can join in.
So which area you like this meetup this will happen in West Mumbai, Central Mumbai or
Okay, so since
location?
we are from Mumbai, our region changes. So sometimes we take it in South Bombay, depends upon the venue actually. So wherever we get availability, we try to make it centric for everybody so everybody can commute.
Yes.
Yeah, easily.
Okay. So any big events or if you are planning about the big events in this one for this Grafana community?
Actually, we just had our one of the biggest annual event of our year, that is Grafana Con. It was the recap of the whole actual global Grafana Con which happened in Barcelona. So that was our biggest achievement. Many folks come in, and we had influencers who come in as a guest in our community. But as we go ahead, there will be some good things cooking in our way. We are thinking to have an observability hackathon, or maybe women centric meetups, or student centric meetups. So in this way we are actually creating some sort of diversity in order everybody can enjoy at the
If
same
anyone
time.
want to join, like they have any group, Telegram group, WhatsApp group, or Meetup group, you have so message or that. Or
Okay, yeah. So, in order to make it accessible to join easily in the community, we have created our link tree. So, in our link tree, multiple links are there. From there, they can join our Slack, Instagram, WhatsApp, LinkedIn, anything. And we also have our website. So, do check out Grafana Mumbai, which is our Insta handle, and also we can link you our website link. Yeah.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.